Content Stack is a platform that helps you to easily manage and publish your digital content. Imagine you have a website or an app and you want to add and update content like text, images, and videos, and any other extra content. So, Content Stack provides a user friendly interface called Content Management System. Where you can create, organize, and edit your content without needing any coding skills. So with Content Stack you can create different types of content such as articles, blog posts, product descriptions, or any other content that fits your needs. So you can add images, videos, and media to your content, and even categorize to tag it to make it easier to find and organize. So today I'm going to so this is our content stack this is our content stack looks like. So this is our stacks. So once you click on your stacks, we'll be having different stacks over here, and this is our main stack. So once you click on your main stack, you'll be seeing your dashboards. So this dashboard you can always edit your dashboard with different widgets. So for the it is easy for authors to be recently checking by the recently modified entries or recently modified assets. So authors are mainly working on these two types. So adding the assets, nothing but giving your images or video contents or to the assets, and the recently modified entries, like what are the recently modified entries you've been done. So recently modified entries, here you can see it is like untitled um, lending dealer center about FAQs. So all these were edited by Cas or me. So you can easily see this on the dashboard. And these are the entries. So entries are nothing but where we need where will be giving the entries are nothing but the values in the content stack. So for suppose, let's take this example, this web page, learn page blog post. So today I'll be telling you like how to give entries to this learn page blog post. So content type is already created by the developers. So we are just showing like how to create an learn page blog post. So this is our entries, this is our assets, like we'll be adding all these images, videos, audio, documents. All this can be added in the assets. And this is the content types. So content types are nothing but the skeleton or the blueprint of this design. So we'll be designing all this we'll be providing all this outline in the content stack in the content type. So this is the content models or content type is nothing but the same. So here we'll be giving entries for the specific content types. So this content type is named as a learn page blog post. So you can go ahead and search here like the keyword with the blog post. So there are two types of blog posts here. You can see learn blog post and copy of learn blog post. So and for the demo purpose I'm showing, I have created like I have taken the copy of this learn blog post. This is like the replica of this copy of the learn blog post. So once you click on here, you will be navigating here, and once you click on here, and you can give the entries. So entries for the learn blog post looks like this. There will be a title and the URL for the every entries, and yeah. So the title of this learn blog post is going to be learn page blog post. So the title will be giving learn page blog post. The URL will be parsing our URL over here. So here, as you can see, there is a banner title, subtitle, background picture. So banner title, sub banner, background picture is going to be this. So banner title is going to be the article. So we'll be just so we'll be just passing the banner title over here, article, and the subtitle is going to be tips for understanding your credit score, and we'll be passing it as in the subtitle. And for the background color, we need to provide this image background color. So for this we'll be adding like subheader. So subheader, it is for the mobile subheader. So all the images, as I mentioned before, it should be added from the content from the assets. So assets have, we'll be adding these images already in the assets. So sub page, full long, dark blue, curve, full page. So as you can see, we can add this image over here. As you can see, this image and this Figma design is going to be the same. Okay, so that's all for this, the banner title and the image, banner title and subtitle and banner picture. So and then we can see here like there is an whole image, whole background image. So we can go with the keyword background image and we can select any of this picture. So this picture looks like same here. So we have added this picture and there is a description under this picture. So we'll be adding this description, and from here is consider, everything is considered as a blog post. So there are like 1 2 3 4 5 blog post, right? Blog post. So each blog post is divided by the list title. Then that means we should have like 5 list titles. The first list title is going to be know your ranks. So we'll be adding your know your ranks, and there is a contest for this know your ranks. So we'll be adding this context here. And for this list item, there is an image here. So we'll be adding an image here with the credit score image. This is for the mobile credit score. As you can see here, it shows the mobile. This is for the web. So I'm adding this page. So this is a paragraphs entry. So no need to worry for this paragraphs, and no need to worry of this group because it doesn't have any group or here. But in the, as you can see in the second list item, there are like groups over here. So consider this as a group entry. So for the second list, I'm copying this from the content stack. So I'll be adding here the second list, and I'll be giving the title, and I'll also be adding the description for this second list, and I'll be adding the image of the pie chart as it has the pie chart image over here. So just type the pie chart. So as you are adding in the assets, you need to be careful by the naming conventions. So now we'll be using these paragraphs or the group entry. So there are like group entries are like title and description. We have like group entries like title and description over here. So we'll be adding title and descriptions. So we have like 5 instances here. So we need to take like 2 3 4 and 5. So we have 5 instances. So we should be adding all these 5 instances in the content stack. So description, credit length will be the title. Okay, for the second instance. For the third instance, I'm considering this as the third instance, and this is going to be the new credit. So I'll be adding the new credit as the title, and I'll be giving the new credit description as a description. For the instance 4, I'm taking as a credit usage. So credit usage will be the title, and its description for the 5th, it considered as a credit mix. So description as credit mix description, and title credit mix title. So again there is a third list item. So third list item, here we have third list item, the title and the context of the third list item same. So it doesn't have any image, so no need to worry. So for the first two we have images, so we'll be adding the images, and from the third, fourth, fifth we don't have images, and we no need to worry about the images to be added in the content stack. So but we have here like again group entries, same as like the second one. So group entries, and for the fourth and fifth we don't have the group entries nor the images, so don't need to worry about the group images, no need to worry about the group entries or the images. So for the fourth and fifth there will be only like the title and the description. So choose file, no need to worry about that. So as there is no description, as there is no image, then don't need to worry about for the images. For the paragraphs we have like 3 paragraphs here, 1 2 3. So we'll be adding 3 instances in the content stack, 1 2 3. Just add the plus icon for the new instance. If you want to delete any instance, you can go ahead and delete the extra instance here. So the title is going to be missed payments. So missed payments is the title, and its description same as like the second one. And maxing our credit accounts will be the second title, second instance. So just giving its maxing out credit accounts, and its description same with the third one. Opening multiple credit accounts in a short amount of time, and its description. And we have done with the third list, and the fourth list we need to be adding the fourth list, and the title, you can guess it's going to be the title here, and the context, we will be adding the context here. No image, no group entries, no need to worry about that. And the third and the last list item, this title is going to be know how to check your credit score. That's going to be your title, and the description. So once you have entered all your entries in the content stack, you can just go ahead and save it, and then after you can publish it in the dev environment, and once you send it, it's going to reflect on our web page. For the time being, this is just a copy of the land page blog post, and I'm not publishing it. If you once publish it, it's going to be reflected in our front end in the React, and you can see the changes on the website. So for now time being, I'm not saving it. So this is how you create the entries in the content stacks. Thank you.